The Matrix is your friend, it is not your enemy. It is a reflection of you. There's no escaping the Matrix because we're inside of the Matrix. So you can't really escape it, if that makes sense. What makes more sense is that we are atoms experiencing reality as humans, and the Matrix is a video game that reflects back to you what you feel and believe that you are. So if you understand how the game works, you can actually understand it's rigged since you don't know the playing book. And now that you do, you can rig it to your advantage. It's becoming more and more mainstream that our thoughts and our feelings create our reality on a molecular level. When they did the scientific experiment that went to the Nobel Prize winning this topic in 2021, they had an experiment where they were analyzing the atoms moving around and creating matter. And when a scientist or someone observing the molecules would leave the room, the atoms would stop moving. And what they were able to prove is that reality does not exist unless we actually observe it, like we're watching it. We believe, we think, we feel, therefore we believe it to be real, and it manifests in matter. That is how reality created. So in business, how this applies, if you do not have a product or a service that actually creates the goal for the client, that is an insecurity within myself that I will not deliver the results that will come out in micro expressions during the sales call or in micro expressions during the marketing process to deter the client from wanting to work with you. Meaning, you can have a sales call like this, like pretend we're on a sales call right now, and I can say that I want the sale, but instead of talking about how I can help you and seeing what your goals are for your business, I will start to talk about how great I am, how much I can help you, how you would be missing out if you're not working with me, and and I'm talking really fast, and I'm making the other person severely uncomfortable with these kinds of micro expressions. And these kinds of micro expressions come from severe pressure of I need to make the sale, because what I'm feeling internally is that I'm not good enough. So what is going to be reflected back to me is the client saying, I don't have the money, I don't have the time, I don't have the resources, or I don't see the benefit in working with you. This is really important because many people spend millions of dollars, literally millions of dollars, trying to figure out, why is my business not working? It's an internal issue. You don't think that product or service will actually help as many people as it claims to do. So you either have to be very clear in how it will help them and have case studies to prove to yourself so that your brain and feelings can be like, yes, this is going to help so many people. Or you need to create systems in line to be able to prove that to yourself. This means that most likely your lack of growth is not a lack of spending problem. It is a lack of foundational structure within your actual business for you to think and feel, yes, I can help all these people that are my ideal target demographic. You have to have clarity on all of these based off of the scientific report that your thoughts and your feelings create your reality. And so do the thoughts and feelings of other people linking to my reality. So what other people think and feel about me also impacts my reality. This is really important. This is like gold.